Hello there. We are continuing to build different types of forms for Joomla, and today we are going to show you how to create a request to callback form, just like on the screen. And of course, we will create our form using Balbooa Form Builder. Okay, from the Forms dashboard, create a new form by clicking on the icon Add New Item. Enter the form title and click on the button Next. We'll start by adding a title. Drag field headline. Replace title. Change HTML tag. I will use H4, and let's change font size to 24 pixels in design settings. Okay, now we need to add two fields, name and phone. For the field name, we're going to use the input field. Replace label to name. And add placeholder, enter your name. Make this field required. And for the field phone, drag the field phone from the sidebar. Change the label to your phone number. And make this field required. And the last field, submit button. Drag it. Change label to call me back. Okay, fields added, and let's play with design. And we're going to start from the submit button design, move to tab design. And as always, I will change the background color to dark and set border radius 12 pixels in border settings. In font settings, unclick bold and make button full width by enabling justify option. Now let's move to form design options. Here we need to select advanced settings. Width, select 400 pixels. In spacing options, unclick the link icon. Set padding top 0 pixels. Set 50 pixels padding for sides and bottom. In border settings, set border radius 12 pixels. And shadow, add smooth shadow to form. Now navigate to label options. Disable bold. And the last one, field settings. Set transparent background. In spacing options, click on the icon link and set to 0 side paddings. In border settings, enable border bottom. Set color. And border width 4 pixels. In font settings, disable bold. Okay, now we need to enable Lightbox. Move back to basic design settings, layout, and select Lightbox. And the final touch, we need to configure the Lightbox. Open Lightbox settings by clicking on the icon gear. Configure trigger. I will set display pop-up by time delay. And in the display options, set position, bottom right, and animation. Let it be slide in bottom. Okay, our form is ready. Save it and add it to the site. As always, I will add to the gridbox page about how to display form on Joomla site and all available methods. Link to tutorial you will find in the description below. Now let's take a look at our form on site. Okay, in this tutorial we have added request a callback form. If you like the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new video tutorials.